Hey there, Casey Stubbs here. All right, so we're going to get back to trying to do the $1 million prop firm. I did that like 3 weeks ago. I haven't posted since then. I got messed up. The account didn't go well. Lost the account. Now I'm going to do it again. So a lot of things happened in my personal life, and it was just a little crazy. So now I'm back at it. So I apologize for that, everyone. I need you guys to comment to help me be more consistent. That's the same old message for traders across the board, right? Consistency, consistency, consistency. Well, we're doing it. Now, you might notice this is an older system that I used to use way back in the day. And the problem is nothing ever was wrong with it. I just started doing new stuff, and I went back to it just to check it out, and I'm like, wow, why did I ever leave this system? It's so good. So I'm going to be trading one of my older systems back when I had Winner's Edge Trading. Still really love my current systems too. But this is just kind of me going back, checking it out. So let me give you a quick rundown. So this is the $1 million account right here, okay? And then this is the first trade. So this trade right here is $7,000. And so the idea for this is, fortunately, I didn't get any drawdown at all. It just boomed. But the idea is I can't get a 5% drawdown. So if I get drawn down 50,000, I'm done. Okay, that's how this whole thing will work. Okay, 50,000. So I'm going to go for a 1-to-1 profit target, and I want to show you something about the 1-to-1. So here is my handy dandy prop firm tracking sheet. I love this thing. So if I can hit 55% at 1-to-1 and risk 10,000 a trade, I'm going to hit $16,000 a month in profits. Well, wait, if I take 20 trades a month. Or no. 1-to-1 is 10,000 a month. And that's really what my target is 10,000 a month in profit. Now, to pass the prop firm, I need to get up to 100,000. And so that's one of the challenges because it's 10. So I'm going to be risking not too much more, but see here I'm risking 5,000. But if I bump this to 10,000 on the risk, I can get to it much quicker. So I'm going to be risking 10,000 on this one, but my goal is going to be 1-to-1. And so you can see even right now I'm already up. Right now it's 5,000. So I'm about halfway there to my first target and my first trade. So I'll be keeping you updated, and I have another very important video that's coming out by the end of this week. I've been super active with helping create content for people. By the way, I've got a great podcast about group coaching that I think I'm going to post here on this YouTube channel. I'll put the link below because I think you're going to get a lot of value out of that as well. But before I go, let me just kind of run down the strategy. The idea is to find the trend here with my multi-trend tool. And please don't ask in the comments for this because this is a tool that I'm not selling anymore. Some of my old customers still use it because it was so great, but I'm finding the trend. And you don't need this tool. You can just go to a daily chart and see that the price is moving down, right? We just broke below here. Okay, price is down. So all I'm doing is looking for, this is like time frame continuation. When I find that time frame continuation, and by the way, this is the same strategy that I've been trading in. It doesn't matter. I've got like 20 systems, but it's really just the same thing. Find a trend, buy pullbacks on the trend, right? Find the trend, buy pullbacks on the trend. I've got a book coming out. It's called The Complete Trading System. I'll put the link for that in the description too. And this is really what's in my book. But it's very simple. You find the trend. So which direction is the trend? Boom. And then this tool just finds when the trend pulls back a little bit. When it gets orange, okay, when the trend gets orange, it pulls back. Okay, there we go. There we had a nice trade. Okay, this was my new trade. My entry was a little bit short, but a pullback down, right? So once we have this over here, I'm just buying or I'm just shorting pullbacks. I mean, this is This stuff can't get any easier than this, okay? But the hard part is human condition, which is our minds. And that's why I have the group coaching that I'm doing, and why I launched that great podcast episode about group coaching. It's about consistency. I mean, I even messed up this week or 3 weeks ago or whatever. So we all need a little push in the right direction from time to time to help us stay on track, especially with the busyness of life, because life gets thrown at us. There's so many things going on in this world, and sometimes I call it the whirlwind, and we got to focus, and getting that focus isn't easy. So here we go. I'm going to get the focus. We're going to pass this. We're going to take this thing up from 1 million to 1.1 million. It's 100,000 in profit. When I get there, that means that I pass a prop firm test. All right, and the idea is to get people into $1 million prop firm so that they can make $10,000 a month in their trading. Okay? All right, so that's it for today's video. But hey, leave me a comment, a question, feedback, whatever you want. I'm here for you, and I appreciate the viewers here. But that's it for this video. Thanks, everybody.